Hi, my name is Brian, and this is a really quick video showing you how to connect up your eAdvisor wireless access point prior to installation. So we sent you an equipment package, and in that package was a wireless access point right there, an Ethernet cable right there, and what we call a PoE adapter right there. So very simply, you just plug in the PoE adapter into a wall outlet. You plug in one end of the Ethernet cable into the adapter, the other end of the Ethernet cable into the access point. That's it. Now we've got power to the access point, and that's all this is for, is to get power to the access point. Notice that it's not plugged into your network anymore. It doesn't need to be. It just needs to get power, and that's what we're doing right here, okay? So the AP is what communicates, that allows the tool to communicate with the advisor's PC. So it's important that we have that connected up prior to installation, okay? And I'm going to show you a very quick video that kind of gives you an idea what the actual components look like in real life. So plugs into the power outlet, the wall outlet. There's the adapter. There's the Ethernet cable. And the Ethernet cable plugs into the access point right there. That's it. That's all you got to do. All right. Now, once eAdvisor is installed and ready to go, you're going to want to mount this access point somewhere in the service lane by the cars that are being plugged into. If there's a partition or dividing wall separating the advisor desks with the service lane, you're going to want to have that access point out by the cars, not by the PCs. It's more crucial that it's closer to the cars than it is to the PCs. It's just the way the system works. Also, if you're going to be plugging in cars outside, you're going to want to get this AP as close to the, and if not on, the outside wall, so it can get some range outside. The more porous the material, the better. So brick, cinder block, concrete, wood, things like that. It can get through that pretty quickly. That's just the nature of Wi-Fi. So if you can get this connected up prior to installation, that will be great. So with that, we're looking forward to the installation, and good luck.